Go ya. Hi guys, so I just received my order. So this is another big girl purchase of the year. So I've been thinking of buying something na para gamitin ka sa school. So yung handy lang siya, and comes to my mind na lang na magbili na lang ako ng something na ma-carry on ko lang siya. So I bought the long jump from Lacoste. And yung color niya is tan or beige. I think beige. So open lang po siya. So this is the unboxing part. Open lang siya, and you know, I think spacious naman ata siya. So open ka lang. So ganito lang siya. So yung first na kinonsider ko talaga is dapat magkasya yung yellow pad sa loob. So I think kasya naman to siya. And pagayon lang siya. Very simple and very cutesy, very demure. Yan. So yun, para magamit lang siya. And overall, okay naman. So dito lang yung tags niya. Yan. Very satisfied with this purchase.
the aim and view of furthering the mission of this organization.
Arian Miguel, X1 into 0.